Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. I went fabric shopping on Sunday, the day before New Year's Eve, and bought a load of fabric, £65 worth, and I've ordered some online as well. And that hopefully will come before I put this video out, so I'll take it on to the end of it. But there's a January sale on fabric and some of the things were 70% off, and it was just silly not to get them then. So it'll keep me going for a while. But all I'm doing today is a bit of a fabric haul, what I've actually bought from the shop itself. I bought things online that I couldn't get in the shop, and also I've bought some more rulers for ruler foot quilting, so I will be showing you those. I have already ordered some and used some, and this is where I've been using them on at the moment. Apart from the feathers, I do them Freemason by hand, but the rulers were that good. I've ordered different ones again from them, different shapes, so I'll put a link in the description below for these because I think they are absolutely brilliant rulers. So I'll go on with me hauls now. Yesterday I went to my local fabric shop, Abercorns, and spent £65 and it's all here. I have ordered a few things online that haven't yet come because I couldn't get them in the shops anyway. Well, in the shop, so I ordered them online. And but they've got a sale on at the moment, and it's really does bring the price down things. This here is a lovely knit, and I've got nearly 3 meters of it, which will make me a lovely long cardigan for winter, and that was just over £7. Underneath it, knit again, there's 2 lots of fabric. There's nearly 2 meters in each of them. The dark I'll be able to do a pair of ski pants out of, and also a long cardigan. In the top one I'll have material left over and I'll figure out what to do with that. But for both of these it was £7. So you can't go wrong with that at all. So that's some things that I will be doing over the next week, and I'll possibly bring you along for some of them. And these are basically quilting fabrics, things I can use for quilting. There's 1 or 2 with patterns on that will make really nice borders. There's this one here, has got pictures on it, all different ones, and I can put them in a quilt or pillowcases or whatever I decide to do in the end. There's this vintage, there's this vintage material. It says curtain material, but it's thin and it's cotton, so it's going to go in quilts. it's a nice pattern, make a lovely border. And that was about 2.5 metres for about £2.5. So that was a definite yes. And there's some here that weren't reduced, but I thought, yeah, like the tomatoes, I can do some nice placemats out of those. I've got all the different fabrics that I'm collecting towards other things. But there's quite a bit here. Oh, there's some of the more stretch knit fabric here that I'll probably, because there's only smaller amounts, I'll probably make little vest tops out of those. But this will keep me going for a while, and as I said, I've ordered some things online, so I will be having those soon. Friday's Fabric Friday is just going to be a haul. I can't wait to do this and have this. It's absolutely lovely. Feels really soft as well.
Say goodbye, Mason.